Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send TRX from your Ledger Nano X to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and using a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X is a smart move. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X with the Tron app installed. Double check that in Ledger Live. Also, have your Uphold account ready and verified, as that's where your TRX is headed. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify details before proceeding. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have Ledger Live, download it from the official website. Once connected, unlock your device with your PIN. Next, open the Tron app on your Ledger Nano X by navigating through the menu. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, select your TRX account, and click on Send. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, hop over to your Uphold account. Go to your Wallet section, find your TRX address, and copy it carefully. Paste errors can lead to lost funds. Back in Ledger Live, paste that address into the recipient field and enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Don't forget to check the network fees. They might vary in 2025 based on Tron updates. Review the transaction details on your Ledger screen. It will display the amount, address, and fees for confirmation. If everything looks good, approve it by pressing the buttons on your device. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It usually takes a few minutes, but blockchain congestion could delay it. Once it's done, head back to Uphold and refresh your account to see your TRX arrive. Pro tip: always use the Tron network for TRX transfers to avoid compatibility issues. And there you have it. Your TRX is now safely in Uphold. This method keeps your assets secure throughout the process. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.